This message goes through Kenya National Examination Council, CEO, and by extension the government. You know, if you are assigned duty and basically you expect honoraria, what they pay us, not even allowance, not even salary, what they pay to teachers after examinations, what we call honoraria. I know Kenya National Examination Council has a budget. Nothing that you can go into without a budget. Our big question is, why the delay to pay teachers honoraria after sacrificing to do that work? Invigilating exams is not easy. And I'm happy the group that is assigned to do invigilation of exams is a group that knows exactly what is in education. So once teachers have taught, they have sacrificed now just to earn honoraria after the big work. I don't think it is fair to deny these teachers honoraria at the right time. Forget about giving the honoraria much later. They should be given these honoraria, paid these allowances immediately they are done with the exams. If anything, we don't even take time to respond to such duties. It is a calling. We go in and do it voluntarily. Teachers Service Commission, the employer of teachers, give permission to these teachers to go and do this work. Kenya National Union of Teachers advocates for these teachers. I don't think Kenya National Examination Council is right to delay the honoraria, and therefore we want to demand that this time round this honoraria be paid like yesterday. Lost Baba about 2 weeks ago. We decided to settle down. We settled down to come today to pay our special tribute to Baba. Why we really have this special tribute to Baba is basically because, not known to many, Baba actually made a formidable crusade to make sure that Teachers Service Commission becomes an independent commission, constitutional commission.